In this video, you'll learn how to add custom extensions to Paperclip AI. By following these steps, you will successfully install and manage plugins within the application. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip AI dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for your Paperclip AI instance. Once the page is fully loaded, you should see the dashboard interface, which includes various options for managing your account. Next, locate the settings option on the dashboard. This is typically represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings to access the settings menu, where several configuration options will be displayed. After that, find and click on the plugins section within the settings menu. This section allows you to manage and install plugins. Once you click on plugins, the interface should update to show a range of plugin management options. Once this appears, select Plugin Manager from the available options. This will direct you to the area where you can view installed plugins and initiate new installations. The layout should clearly indicate your current plugins and provide installation options. Then click on Install Plugin. This action will prompt the interface to display fields for entering the necessary information for new plugin installations. Ensure that you have the plugin details ready for the next steps. Following that, you will be prompted to enter the NPM package name of the plugin you wish to install. This is a critical step, as the package name must be correct for the installation to proceed successfully. Make sure to double check the name for accuracy. Next, click on the area labeled NPM package name to input the desired plugin's name. After entering the name, verify that it is correctly spelled and formatted. The interface may provide feedback or suggestions based on your input. Finally, click on the Install button to complete the installation process. Once clicked, the system will begin the installation, and you should see a loading indicator or confirmation message indicating that the process is underway. Depending on the plugin size and your internet speed, this may take a short while. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.